Assalamu alaikum, yeah. What's up, everyone? How's going on? So today in this video we'll be learning that how can we make a random dua generator which will generate randomly duas which will help us in Ramadan to keep in praying mind forever. So let's make it. First of all, open VS Code and inside it create HTML file, and I'm gonna name it as random dua generator. Yeah, that's up, and link it to CSS, and even I'm gonna link it to script.js. And now I'm gonna take a container here and here, random dua generator, then two buttons. Before that, id, which is dua, and here we'll write click below to receive a dua, and we'll create two buttons, and both of these will be id will be like no, it would be on click, which is on click, and here generate dua, and it also have to have on click, which will be copy dua, and generate and copy. Our HTML is done. Now come to CSS. First of all, container, and here we'll write first, this is display is flakes, justify content, center, align item also should be center, background color should be purple. So now we're gonna see the output. So it's the output right now. Before that, let's access body. I'm not gonna arrange the entire CSS. I'm just gonna write body here. The background color should be the background color should be like what can be that? Let's first choose color, then we're gonna select the background color, like how it looks like. Yeah, keep it. And now come here, and border radius gonna be 10 pixel, and backdrop filter which will be blur 10 pixel, and padding should have 20 pixel. Font family which will be this view, the view should be word wrap, and let's see. Yeah, it's looking good. So now let's see. First we should have break after random dua generator, then after this one, and after this one. So for that we'll just use break tag, as well. Let's see. This break tag won't work because we wrote display is flakes. That's why the what is that, the break tag won't work, so we'll have to choose something different. Inline blocks. Yeah, now it's all okay. So inside body, let's here write display flags, and these two lines also. Let's see, can it bring into center now? We'll bring it into center. Margin top is gonna be 100 pixel, and let's see. Yeah, that's okay. Now we'll style the buttons. For that button and the background color is gonna be red. Padding 10 pixel, and here border radius 5 pixel, just a little bit. Border none. Then cursor is pointer. Font family and button hover, which is gonna be background color should be transparent and border 1 pixel solid red. Middle should have some transition. 1 second is it's too much, so just decrease it and make it 0.5. Yeah, that's it. Now we will create the JavaScript code. So for that, I have already copied 100 different doors, so I'll paste those. Yeah, these are the 100 doors that I have already copied. We'll need it. And now create a function and remember this function, which is generate doa. We need it. Yeah, inside this const we'll have to assign a variable which is const equal doa text equals to document dot get element by id, and the id should be this doa. Inside this the doa will be pasted, and here just doa text dot style dot opacity should be 0 for the first time, and later we'll increase it. Then set timeout, and here will this, and now const random index equals to math.floor math.random, and just multiply it by duas dot length. This duas is this variable, which is duas. This variable we wrote here, which is duas, and here we'll write that dua text dot inner text equals to duas random index. That's it. And now we'll have to change the style, which is duatext dot style dot opacity, which is gonna be 1 right now, and here use timeout, and then one more function. I think we should write the function out of this function. Function is gonna be this function, which is for copying the dua, and this is a function, and inside this function we'll write const text equals to document dot get element by id and dua dot inner text, and here navigator will be clipboard, and the writing text will be the text. This text is this one is this. We just write this one into here. For that, just use this and we'll have to have an alert which is dua copied. And now if we check the output, so let's see how it looks like. Yeah, it's showing that undefined, so surely there's an error. So let's identify that error. Bro, I'm amazed to see that we just have a little bit or little error which um, somehow which is some kind of invisible error, and that is spelling mistake. And we did it here. We wrote length or something like this instead of length, so we'll have to just change th, and for this tiny mistake we didn't get our exact or expected output. So now let's see, refresh it and click generate, and it's dua generate. Different kinds of duas will be generated in different clicks. And now if we click copy, the dua will be copied. Just remember this dua. And now if we paste it here, so afiyah, Allahumma inni as'aluka afwan wa afiyah. Let's see, yeah, the exact dua. So it was today's dua generator. Inshallah in future I'll convert it into an app, mobile app, so you can use that also. So bye bye, Alpes.